right, so today I have a great camera. This is sort of a wireless camera, low power. The nice thing about this one, doesn't require like a power line, so you can put it anywhere around the house. You can hang up this in the top of the tree. That will be the case, as long as you have a connection or wireless connection, 2.4 gigahertz. Now the length is 120 degrees view. It's a two-way audio, so microphone in the speaker, motion detection, 128 gigabytes of micro SD card you need to install, right? And night vision. So let me show you how to configure this camera right now. Alright, so how we doing, everyone? My name is Dario from MEDIABOXENT, and yes, today we're gonna have this camera. How important it is to secure, you know, your house. And sometimes it's hard when you connect a camera because, okay, I have a wireless, but now I need power. Right, you need to run a power line, and maybe you want to put it in a location where there's no power around. So this one is solar, so you put it in, you don't need to worry about it. There are other cameras, the battery lasts about 3 months, and that's cool, but every 3 months you have to take the camera out and charge it. Well, this one, you don't need to worry about it. It's always going to be sun, so it's going to be always charging this thing. So you put it in and forget about it. All right, so low power solar wireless camera. Here, 1080 solar power, free of charge. It means you don't need to plug it in. Battery, right? A motion detector, and voice intercom, microphone, and a speaker. IP65 means don't worry about the weather, and infrared night vision. Let's see what we get. So instructions: download the app first, and it shows you the whole setup, how to install it and how to pair. We're going to do that later on. So here we get the solar panel. So here's a solar panel with a nice long cable, and 5.5 volt, 3 watts. All right. Now this is the camera. Now here you're gonna put your micro SD card up to 128 gigabyte, right? And this again is waterproof, so it's nice. So this one, you're gonna have to take this out. You plug the Type C there, you close this down, and that's it. Now here we have the reset button and the micro SD card there. So put your micro SD card, and that's it. Now there are a few ways to mount this. I show you. We have the lens here, we have the night vision and the motion, and the speaker. To turn it on, you turn it on from here. You turn it on once, and that's it. That's the only thing you have to do. Now in the next box, what we have is everything. So you don't need even to go to the hardware store. Why? Because we have either this to mount the camera if you want, so mount it right here, and that's it, since you're going to leave it there all the time. Or you can use the magnetic version, right? Technically the magnetic version is for when the camera doesn't have a solar power, so allow you to remove and charge the camera. And this one is the one you're going to use in tube and hold your solar panel. Plus in that you have all the screws, so to put it around the wall. Even it comes with a screwdriver and a cable. I don't think you're going to be using, but it has the USB cable Type C, right, if you want to charge the device right from your computer. Okay? So you see it has everything here. Next section now, we're going to pair this for the first time. We are ready to pair the camera for the first time. Pretty simple. You need to install the app like I did, and do like a little registration email and all that. That's it. After that, we're gonna be adding the camera. Pretty simple. We're gonna be turn on the camera. It will let you know. Remember, if you have the memory, I will install the memory at this point. So we're gonna go add the camera, set up the Wi-Fi camera. If this is blinking, we say yes, it's blinking. And device, well, in this case it can be from door. All right, then we click next. My network and my password for my network. Confirm the RQ code. We set the camera about this distance. real time. Done. Okay, we wait, it's connecting. As you see there, that's it. Put OK. And the camera is online. Let's click here. And you see me there. As simple as that. Super easy to install. Now, if we want to talk to the camera, we can press here and just talk to the camera. Right? That's simple. Let's take that out. If you want to listen to it, press with the speaker. I can record, create a video of that, and sign up for the cloud service if you want. Right? We can go in high definition. I set up now in high definition. We can go full screen. One person's watching. We can see that in the top. If you see right there. If you go the configurations, there's many things you can do here. We can set up memory, cloud service on memory. You can put up to 128. Flip the screen. It's set up. You want the detection mode. If you want it can be a normal or can be high. It all depends. Maybe you don't want this thing to come on when I don't know, when a cat cross the camera. All right, you have to make sure there's like a human size, and the camera will start recording. In activation time, 15 seconds, you can send 15-30 seconds the recording time. Frequency is 60 hertz is perfect. That's only for the lighting. You're gonna say 60 if you want to save indicating light. If you want to indicate light on and off, right? So if you want a video off, you can turn it off. Synchronize time. You can upgrade the firmware and much more. If you see, this is a simple camera to set up. Doesn't require much. I did this real time, no editing on this part of the video. Set it up. Put your solar panel, whatever you want to set. Connect the 2.4 gigahertz, and it's totally that easiest to set this camera. There are more configuration there. You can check there, but technically there is already working. No need to do anything. Make sure you put the memory 128 gigabytes. What I'm going to do, and to buy one of these cameras right now, I'll leave you the link for this camera right below this video, and also the memory that will work with this camera. All right. If you have any questions, you can always leave me a comment right below this video, and I'll see you next time.